In this demonstration, we'll use a product called Glow Germ, which fluoresces under UV light to show improper glove removal. In this demonstration, we'll once again use Glow Germ to show the importance of proper glove removal. First, using a gloved hand, pinch and hold the outside of the glove near the wrist. Peel the glove downward, away from the wrist toward the fingers, turning the glove inside out. Hold the removed glove in the gloved hand. Slide fingers of ungloved hand under the wrist of the remaining glove, and peel downward toward the fingers, turning the glove inside out over the first glove. Discard in an infectious waste container.